What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a travel packing hack, you've got to check out these compression packing cubes from Tripped. I will confess, this is not my first set of Tripped packing cubes. I have multiples. I bought some for every person in my family. So let's open up these ones. They have a mesh front. I think this is going to be a great addition to my packing cube collection. Now, I am a travel pack hacker, which means I have figured out how to pack conveniently for trips for multiple people in one suitcase, and these travel packing cubes are my secret. This one here is the large packing cube set that has mesh see-through covers at the front, and I think that this is a really cool addition to these really cool travel compression cubes. Another cool thing about them, look at this, they have a really nice little thumb pull. Feels good on my hand, and it's nice and grippy. Now, the compression cubes work like this. There's two zippers on them. There is like a zipper here that gets you into the cubes. So I'm just gonna open this up like this. This is how I get the clothing into the bag. But see how thin it is? It's not actually that thin. Here's how it is a compression cube. Now, there's a zipper that goes 360 degrees around the entire cube, and it is a tough, sturdy zipper. This here, by the way, is also ripstop nylon, which means it's really durable, really strong, and you can actually pack a lot of stuff in here, and it's strong enough to hold it. So we're gonna unzip this zipper that goes all the way around the exterior of the bag, just like that. Now watch how thick the bag is. Look at that. Do you see the difference in width in this bag? So you can pack a ton of clothes in here and get it all organized. This might be where I put my swimsuits when I'm packing for travel. Then I'm going to zip up the top and zip my swimsuits in here, and that's going to take up a fair amount of space in a suitcase. So what I can do is put some weight on this and pressure, and as I'm pressurizing this, I can actually find the end of the compression zipper and start zipping. Now, all of a sudden, that much thicker package is now thinner, and I have made a lot of space in my suitcase. So let's look at all the different sizes. They also give you this other really nice mesh see-through bag here. Now, this could be for wet swimsuits if you're going to the beach. This could be for socks and underwear. It's a really nice bag, really convenient. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. I actually think that this is going to be a great one for the jacket that I bring, because currently where I live in Northern Ontario, there is snow that comes up to here on me. So I'm going to need a jacket when I get on the plane to go to the hot place to get away from the snow. So this will wrap up my jacket nice and flat for travel. You've got this small bag. You've got this medium-sized bag. Same construction. You've got a really great shoe bag right here. It's actually got a really cool top on it. You can snap this together once you've put everything in, and you've got a handle or a carrying case that you can use. That's pretty cool. And the opening of this is really cool too. Just like a stiff material that holds it together, so that after you're done, you can like twist the top, and then you can click this together, and then you've got storage for whatever you want to stick in there. And then you have these two large packing cubes. So you have a lot of packing capacity in this set, and I really like that. Now, the other thing that's cool about this is you can get them in different colors. I have the green ones, and I have the ones that are more pinky, and there's another set that's kind of white. And the great thing about this is you can use that to color code your family's clothing. So if you're packing everybody's clothes in one suitcase, or if you're packing like daytime clothes and nighttime clothes, you can color code them, and then when you're grabbing them out of your suitcase, it's super easy. I think these compression packing cubes are a really great way to organize your luggage. I love that they create extra space by compressing everything down, and I love that I can fit a lot in these bags and a lot more in my luggage when I use these bags. Now, here are the dimensions of the bags. The extra large one is almost 16 inches this way by 11 inches this way, and then it's got a 4-inch thickness. The large one, 14-inch length, a 10-inch width, and then a 1-inch depth. The small one, 10 by 7 by 4-inch. Then you've got these other smaller bags. So you have a lot of ability to pack in here. These are awesome. If you in any way think you're going to be traveling and you want to make your packing easier, you've got to get yourself a set of these. These are the Tripped compression packing bags. They are made of sturdy ripstop nylon with these really, really tough, sturdy zippers. Definitely a family favorite at my house.